Hey guys, Sweet Umbra here. We're walking down the road to, well, for like the 1 millionth time to go get money for my girlfriend's bus card. So yeah, and both of us are knackered from this morning, just waking up all of a sudden because we thought, oh, we're late. Turns out no, we woke up an hour early, so we are still feeling it from then, but all we are doing, which I have a slight I don't know, I kind of don't think that's going to happen, is we are just going down to get money. I don't think it's going to happen for some reason, because it never normally does. It never does normally, hey?
I like my food.
Yeah, and I like my food. Yeah, on the scales I have gone up to 86 kilos, which makes me and like, I mean, I've lost like fat. I've lost my excess fat, and I know muscle weighs more than fat and all, but I should have at least lost a lot more weight than I have. I shouldn't have gained as much. So with me being 86 kilos, that would be that would be 170. Yeah, on 172, and then the 0.2 would be 17.2. So I'm roughly around 190 pounds. Holy shit. I'm like 185 pounds. And I'm only 5'7". So I weigh a lot. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah. People still dropping stuff at me.
Uh,
It is. No, it
Yep.
doesn't say anymore.
it doesn't say it anymore. They're my girlfriend and my sister dropped some things outside the op shop a few weeks ago. Not a few weeks ago, sorry, a few months ago. And suddenly there ended up this sign saying, please don't leave things outside the door. Don't leave things outside the door. Now people are leaving things outside the door, but there is no sign now, so it may be okay now. So yeah, I've been quite busy today. I've posted 2 vlogs and a gaming video, as you guys know. This will be my 3rd vlog today.
Why so many vlogs in one day?
Huh?
Why so many in one day?
I don't know. Because I can. Okay. Okay, well, yay, my girlfriend's card was a little bit damaged a few weeks ago, or maybe a month or two ago, and she was worried that, well, me and her were both worried that putting her card in the ATM machine, that ATM machine would eat it, would like take her card and not give it back. So we were a little worried at that, but yeah, it didn't, and it worked, so that's good. I need to start doing vlogs more again, because I haven't done many of late. It's been games constantly, like 2 to 3 gaming videos a day, and I mean, I get a nice amount of views for my channel, just because I've only got 30 subs, which, yay, I finally got 30. Now it's on to 50. Once I reach 50, it'll be on to 100. So yeah, I can't wait to see what the future brings. And I will be trying to do a lot more exciting things in my vlogs, because I mean, I still want to go up the mountain, but I mean, the ground is that dark because it's raining a lot lately. I mean, spring hasn't really been spring. It's been just constant rain around here, which sucks. I hate it. I mean, our spring has basically been like autumn. Hey.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, we're like, I mean, the temp has come up a bit, but the weather with the rain and everything, it hasn't gotten any better, which sucks, because once the weather does get better, I want to go places that will be more exciting than watching me walk the same old path over and over again. I mean, yeah, sure, I talk about something kind of different every time, but still. Oh, this time we didn't bring Panda. We left her at home just because she's a little ratbag, and we just wanted to get down the road quick and back home and things, because we're tired. We don't really want to take too long, plus she's a bit of a handful sometimes, and so if we walk with her and with us being tired, we may get annoyed at her, and she doesn't deserve to be treated like that just because we are tired. So it's better that we didn't bring her. But yeah, and what I was saying about the Quidditch thing, yeah, honestly, go like that video if you agree. Also, I had a great idea for a game on computer myself, called, well, I don't want to say anything about it just in case it ends up, yeah, that's a good idea, and I don't really want another company to like steal my idea. So it's better that I get it started, get copyright done on it, if I ever do, and then tell you guys about it. But I guess I could tell you about it now because it's on my channel and I'd have the video on my phone. So my idea anyway was, it was going to be called something like Seasons Wars, and basically you get a character that you can customize, but you choose one from every season, and you get to change their look however you want. Like, well, not so much every season, it's more every holiday. So,
Seasonal holiday.
yeah, seasonal holiday. So you have Easter for spring, and you'd have like a bunny that hops around. You can play as a bunny rabbit, and basically what you do is each seasonal holiday has their own weapons, and you roam around, and basically it's a shooting game, and you can go third or first person. And basically you have Easter for like Easter Bunny, or being an Easter egg that roams around. Like the Easter egg could be a class that just roams around and throws grenades and things like that. His powers could be all about grenades. Also having just a bunch of other things that come out in the spring. So like, even like a deer. Oh no, actually not a deer. Deer you'd want for like Christmas. So you'd have a reindeer, you'd have Santa's helper elves. You'd have a yeti, things like that. And for I think for summer, I think theirs is Guy Fawkes. I think Guy Fawkes is in summer. Oh, but I was thinking something more like Guy Fawkes for like the summer one, just having fireworks and making them fire off fireworks and things like that. And Halloween for autumn, and have like skeletons and zombies and things like that. And also allow them to have vehicles, and where you can grab the vehicles, and make it that it's a shooting game, as well as have like racing stages in it, where you can either go around and kill off other players and do matches that way, or you can go into the racing ones and end up racing against other people. And your character, when you level them up and customize their look and everything, their weapons and all that all stay the same. So all their level and everything stays the same. Not one of those ones where you level up and then after the match it's back to level 1. It'll be you level up and they stay that level. And I think having the matching it like level 20 to 25 and 25 to 30 and things like that is all good. But yeah, I'll go more in depth with it sometime. But anyway guys, we're home. It was good talking to you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and remember, keep living happy. Laters.